In today's video, we will see how to fix the Navien error code E.012 Tankless water heater troubleshooting and repair guide. So, the fixed one, perform a quick system reset. So, press the back or reset button on the Navien control panel. If the error remains, unplug the unit to or turn off the circuit breaker. Now wait 30 seconds, then restore power. And run a hot water tap and check if the error code clear. Fix 2. Clean or replace the flame rod. So turn off the gas supply and power to the water heater and remove the front cover and locate the flame rod near the burner assembly. Then carefully remove the flame rod and clean the metal probe using fine sandpaper, an emergency cloth or a scotch brite pad. Then swipe away any drops and reinstall it and replace the flame rod if the ceramic insulator is cracked or damaged. Fix 3. Check the condenser tap and drain. So locate the condenser trap at the bottom of the unit and inspect the drain hose for kinks, clog and freezing, and remove any sediment, slim or drips from the trap. Ensure water can flow freely through the drains line. Fix 4. Inspect the air intake and exhaust vent. So check for outdoor vent terminal for leaves, snow, ice, bird, nest or other obstacles. Then remove any draft blocking the intake or exhaust path. And inspect the air intake screen inside the unit and clean away dust or lint buildup. Now verify that the vent pipes are securely connected. Fix 5. Verify gas supply and pressure. So confirm that the gas shut off valve is fully open. Make sure other gas appliances in the home are operating normally. For propane system, check that the tank has adequate fuel. And if the propane tank was recently filled, run the unit several times to help remove trapped air from the gas lines. The fix 6. Check electrical grounding. So inspect the power cord and electrical connection. Ensure the unit is properly grounded according to local electrical code. Tighten any loose ground connection and if wiring appears damaged, contact a quality technician. Goodbye and thanks for watching.